Hey friends, welcome back to BE Nadim, where we make the UK journey easier for international students like you. Today, we're talking about a big one, SOP, your statement of purpose. It's a must for most UK university applications. Think of it as your personal pitch. You're telling the university who you are and why you're the right fit. It's not just a form, it's your voice, your story. It shows your motivation, your background, and where you want to go. So what does an SOP include? Let's break it down simply and clearly. First, your introduction. Start with who you are and the course you're applying to be clear and confident. Then dive into your academic background, highlight subjects, achievements, or research that connects to your chosen course. Next is a very important part. Why this course? Why now? What inspired your interest? Show your passion. Here mention real-life experiences, goals, or challenges that shaped your choice. After that answer, why this university? Talk about specific things like faculty, curriculum, labs, or rankings. Don't just copy-paste from their website. Use details that show you've done your research and you're serious. Now tell them about your career goals. What do you want to achieve with this degree? Whether it's working in a global company, launching a startup, or pursuing research, be honest and ambitious. Finally, wrap it up with a strong conclusion. Reinforce your commitment and excitement to join the program. But remember, keep it real. No cliches like, since childhood I've wanted, unless it's genuinely true. So, who can help you write your SOP? You're not alone in this. Talk to your professors, academic counselors, or seniors who've already applied. And yes, professional guidance from trusted consultants can help you polish your draft. Another question is, when should you start your SOP writing? The best time is at least 3 months before the deadline. Writing a good SOP takes multiple drafts. You need time to reflect, write, edit, and review. Never leave it for the last week. Trust us, universities can tell the difference between a rushed SOP and a thoughtful one. Your SOP shows your personality beyond marks. It's how you stand out from others with similar scores. So treat it with care, be personal, be specific, and be clear. Final tip, get someone to read it. A fresh perspective always helps catch errors and improve flow. All right, that's a wrap on today's episode. I hope this helped you understand the SOP better. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe to BE Nadim for more UK study tips and guidance.